Do you want to learn how to rap or take it to that next level if you already know how? The Rap Institute is the world's #1 online rap training platform, and for as low as $8 a month, you can get unlimited access to this. Over 1,350 videos at almost 300 hours, with a new video added daily. And here is just some of what is covered. Tools and more tools. How to set up a workspace. Building strong fundamentals for beginners. Extra focus on cutting and getting a strong corner game. Understanding film properties from surface energy and to how far to stretch in order to avoid this from happening. How to clean and prep surfaces, as well as remove and reinstall hardware safely. Production and design tips to ensure high quality, as well as printing and laminating tips. All Rap Institute members get free workflow PDFs, and now, here's what you can learn how to rap specifically. Floors, walls, both flat and textured, all types of cut vinyl installs, boats with both full print and color change wrap films. You'll see vehicles wrapped with color change wrap film, as well as digital full print commercial wraps, box trucks and semi-trailers, flat and with rivets, including registration tips for pixel to pixel matchup, fleet wrapping tips for high profits. One of the most popular and highly watched videos on the Rap Institute, deep recessed areas, as well as door handles, which highlights the cold pre-stretch technique. Window perforation for vehicles, free floating and roll-up, along with storefront and residential. How to work around raised objects like antennas, and how to protect the wraps with Aftercare products. The goal of all the videos is to increase quality, durability, and efficiency. There are also videos on PPF, or paint protection films, both bulk and pre-cut. There are also detailed videos on window tint, for residential, as well as for vehicles. Additionally, unique objects that maybe you didn't know could be wrapped. All videos show cutting-edge techniques and cover not only how to wrap, but ways to upsell and increase profits. These include dedicated business videos, ideal for owners and freelance installers. There's also tips and tricks for striping, as well as deep customizations. And keep in mind that all the videos on the Rap Institute have no hidden agenda. It's not about selling or promoting tools or manufacturers for profit. It's all about learning. Everything is professionally filmed and with tight detail, which you simply won't get anywhere else. Also included in Rap Institute membership are official product videos on rap films and tools. The Rap Institute is supported and endorsed by all the major manufacturers, so all the content is aligned with warranties and install guidelines. The Rap Institute features myself, Justin Pate, along with many other great installers and innovators in the rap industry, like Reiner Lords and Gimas Brazil. Get access to exclusive interviews from industry leaders that provide unique insight and invaluable advice, and also get behind-the-scenes look at sign shows and rap contests worldwide that show the latest trends and what other people are rapping. This includes getting sneak peeks into leading rap shops that help show how to create high workflow and solid customer relationships. The Rap Institute has members in over 60 countries worldwide, and to sign up, you can go to therapinstitute.com. There, you can choose monthly, 1-year, or 2-year memberships. A membership gives you unlimited access to the entire video library, and bulk memberships with special discount rates are available to distributors and manufacturers. At the Rap Institute, our slogan is "Never Stop Learning," which, for the rap industry, is the recipe for getting more time and money in your life. Sign up today to start or continue your learning process today.